Hello viewers, welcome back. Today in this lesson we are going to learn what is MetaTrader 4 MT4 introduction. Okay, so let's start. MT4 MetaTrader 4, one of the most popular software used for technical analysis. This software is an electronic trading platform used by online forex retail traders. Okay, and this software is also known as MT4, MetaTrader 4 or MT4. It is used by online retail forex traders. This software was developed by MetaCode Software Company and it was released in 2005. This software is licensed to only forex brokers which provide it to only to their customers. This software is very stable and very popular because of its best features. Okay, this software has two components, server component and a client component. Server component is connected to the broker and client component is given to the clients. Okay, and what clients can do, they can use it for live streaming, charts, to place orders, and for managing all of their accounts and all other important technical functions also. Okay, so this is very important software. Basically it helps a lot to the retail traders for managing their positions, placing trades, for live streaming of prices and managing their profiles and accounts, etc., all these things. Okay, and this software is also a best platform for technical analysis for the retail traders who enter in forex market. It is best for technical analysis, and charts which are provided in this software, they are fully customizable. Okay, so that's why it is one of the best platform for technical analysis, and it also saves a lot of time for all the retail forex traders. Okay, alright, so once again I'm going to repeat it again. MT4, one of the most popular and excellent software. It's very stable software. This is an electronic trading platform used by online retail forex speculator traders or online forex traders. It is also known as MT4. This software was developed by MetaCode Software Company and it was released in 2005. This software is only licensed to forex brokers which provide to their clients, and it has two components, a server component and a client component. Server component is given to the brokers and client component is for clients. And what clients can do, they can use it for live streaming prices, charts, to place the trades, and for managing their accounts. So that's why it's very popular, and it is integrated in a best way, and it is designed in a best way so that all the retail traders use it for technical analysis, and charts provided in this software are fully customizable charts. Okay, so this was the explanation of MT4 introduction. Okay, thank you.